The heater was being used to keep his family warm, but he says one-year-old Caden was playing upstairs with his mother when he fell on that heater and got burned.
Well, he was messing around with the cat and ran into the heater and it fell on him. He has second-degree burn on his lip, on his chin he has first-degree burn, and right here he has a second-degree burn too. So they gave him some medicine and stuff.
How are you feeling now as opposed to then?
I feel like crap. I do. I feel like crap.
Show me the burn sign.
You can't really see it's covered.
Yeah, it's horrible to see your child get hurt. Little guy probably just wants a nap, right? Doctors expect Caden to be okay. He's now at home, as you see, with his mom and dad.